Checkpoints are the precise locations at which worker has to perform given tasks. You can restrict a worker to perform tasks within given boundaries with added restriction of QR code or NFC tags to be scanned at specific locations. Let's say if a security guard has a route to visit bank ATMs at different locations, so in order to complete a task he has to be at right location, otherwise he cannot submit his task report. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a checkpoint. First, navigate to the Patrol tab, and click Checkpoints. On the right hand corner you should see a button says Create New Record. Click this and you can then add desired checkpoint and other relevant details on this page. First, select the type of authentication you want to apply at checkpoints such as GPS, QR code, or NFC tag. Moving forward, enter all relevant checkpoint details. Now you can select a client and its site where your required checkpoint is located. Once selected, the map will auto-pick the location, and now you can pinpoint your desired checkpoint with required geofence radius. If you are adding checkpoint located at far area, then you can also search desired place from search box available on map. Final step is to select checklists for reference of tasks which worker has to perform at checkpoint. Once done, press Save Record button and now you see a confirmation message. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, then you can navigate to Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in trash for a permanent delete or restore. View/print QR code. In order to view or print a QR code, simply go to Checkpoints list page and click on Actions menu. By clicking on QR code, a new pop-up window appears. You can either save the file or print as per your requirement. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.